Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix OME TV mic not working problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to fix OME TV mic not working problem, then you can simply tap on your settings. So once you go in your settings, you need to simply go and tap on the app itself and search for OME TV. Now once you have found your OME TV app, simply tap on it and go in your permission section. So you need to first of all check whether the microphone is given permission or not. If it is not permitted, then you need to simply allow the permission to your OME TV. So after you have done this, you can simply try to clear the cache of your OME TV as well. And if the problem still persists, then you can opt to reinstall the app by deleting it once on your device. So this is how you can simply fix OME TV mic not working problem. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.